The other way to find idea for Valentine's Day, and this is my favorite because this one, going from Mass Research, click on type in Valentine's and search. Almost everyone is doing that. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to dominate Valentine's Day. If it's your first time, welcome. My name is Oliver and I'm bringing you tips and tricks to succeed with Mesh by Amazon or any other print-on-demand website. If you have any question, please comment down below. I personally answer all questions, beginner or advanced. So let's get right into the subject. I'm going to show you two ways to find design for Valentine's Day. The first, you can go to Merce Research. You type in here Valentine. Okay, and you click on search. Doing that, you're gonna find a few listings, and what you have to do is to open a Word document or any other notepad that you have, and what you're gonna do is to check what is already selling. We can see here that we have Valentines and nurses, so you can write here, for example, Valentine nurse. What we are trying to do here is to find cross-niching, because Happy Valentine's Day t-shirt, the competition is going to be very high, but Valentine's nurse maybe a bit less. Okay, so we have another t-shirt here. So you look on the first page, second, third, and even more, just to find idea for your t-shirt for Valentine's Day. For example, we can see all you need is love and real estate. Okay, so they are crossing Valentine's and real estate. The other way to find idea for Valentine's Day, and this is my favorite because this one, going from Merce Research, click on type in Valentine's and search. Almost everyone is doing that. But for you, I'm going to show you another tips, another tricks to find idea. You go to google.com and you're going to type site.amazon.com. Then in URL, you're gonna type in Valentine t-shirt. So I repeat, sign amazon.com space in URL semicolon Valentine t-shirt, and you type enter. You're gonna find from Google a bunch of t-shirts that are ranking, a bunch of listings that are ranking on Google for Valentine's Day. And you're gonna see here, you have images, you have Valentine tee, you have Valentine tops. So what you're gonna do is to grab this one, Valentine's tees. Okay, you're gonna use them for as keyword for your listing. And another here, Valentine's top. This is something that you can easily write in your listing. Okay, and we continue, Valentine's Day t-shirt for kids. Okay, so we're gonna paste it here. Let's check, for example, Valentine's Day t-shirt for kids. So you click on it, and what I can see is a V is for Valentine's. V is for video games. Okay, so this is a niche that we can copy. V is for video games. Now, to think outside the box, in this example, they are saying V is for video games. But do we have any drink, for example, that start with V? Drink start, you can go type start with letter V. And we can see list of cocktail, alphabetical list of cocktail. If I go to letter V, I can see Vampiro, Verde Shot, Vesper, Vodka, and so on. I don't know any one of them, but I know vodka. So let's check if we have vodka on Amazon. So we search, and I see Vodkanium. Let's say vodka Valentine. And yes, we can see V is for vodka. So you see, this is how you can find niches, how you have to think. Here I was talking about cocktails, okay? But what about animal? Start with letter V. Vampire bat, vaquita, vanegron, visila. So you can easily create design for all these kind of animal that start with V. So instead of V is for the video games, you're gonna have V is for vodka, or V is for vinegron, or V is for vislas, and so on. You may ask yourself, but do we even have search for these items? Okay, let's take vaquita for example, and we're gonna go to trends, Google. We're gonna paste it here, vaquita. I'm gonna change the country to United States. Past 12 months, and you can see people are looking for vaquita on Google. So if you have a t-shirt that is say V is for vaquita, and we can see that vaquita population breakout and so on. So this is something. So if you create a design for V is for vaquita, for example, you may have a good chance to make sales. Now let's check on Amazon if we have vaquitas. You can see vaquita plush, vaquita toy, vaquita t-shirt. Yes, vaquita t-shirt. Vaquita t-shirt. Save the vaquita, and so on. And those t-shirts have sale. So instead of V is for video game, why not create a t-shirt for V is for vaquita? And competition 89. You have to click like now and subscribe, guys, because this is gold. I'm giving you right now gold. Please like, comment, and subscribe. That's it for today. Thank you for your time, and have a nice day.